Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to animate on click in a Canva presentation. Now let's begin. Open Canva if you have not already. Let's create a design. Let's look for presentation. Simply click on it. Now that everything's open, let's add some elements. Let's click and drag. Change its color. Let's copy this as well. Now let's duplicate the page. Again, from the first page, delete the two rectangles. From the second page, delete the third one. Now let's again go to page 1. Simply click on the first rectangle. Now let's animate it. Choose any of the animations available. I want to animate it only for its entering, so on enter. Now go to the second slide and the second rectangle. Do the same. On enter. Again, in the third slide, same process. Now going back to the first slide, we simply present this. The present button is next to share on the menu bar. Simply click on it and hit present. Now let's click on it. Again, let's click on it. Well guys, this is how you animate on click in Canva. Hope you liked this video. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.